Last year my wife Annie planted a butterfly tree. I'd never heard of a butterfly tree, but she planted one. It was about 2 feet tall, and this year it's about 10 feet tall. And does it ever attract butterflies? You can see if you hear. Back, I made a walking stick or walking cane, if you will, with a hawk on it for a handle. And just for giggles, I stuck it out to see what the birds will do. And here's what you see. Hope you enjoy. Well, the answer is pretty simple. Songbirds don't like hawks. That's all there is to it.